Yo guys, what's going on? It's your boy Coach here from Caliworks, and today we're doing another vlog. And today we're just gonna be recording just a bunch of random shit that we do today. We really don't know what we're gonna be doing. I know it's basically Saturday night shenanigans. We got Edwin right there, we got my G right there, we got Jason coming in a little bit, and we're gonna meet Sahil at Tapex. So yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do today. We just randomly decided to meet up. And it's our boy Nick's birthday coming up on Monday. So happy birthday, Nick! If you guys, so it's a Nick special. It's Nick's birthday. Bags are going off. Dude, I thought my tire was done. So you know, it's Nick's little birthday celebration, little early birthday since his birthday's on a Monday. So today we're just gonna be messing around. I don't really know what we're gonna be doing, but yeah. So we'll catch you guys in a little bit.
Yeah, Jason pulling up right now. I can't see shit in his car. I can't even see his car. Got the dude, can't see shit. Ain't turn the lights on. Nice. We got James in the house. Put the back window. Put the back window. Put the back window.
Birthday boy.
Hey.
My shit's literally on air. Just.
Sipping with the fam out here, you know what I'm saying?
Sipping with the fam, guys. Yo, my guy.
Hey, yo, my guy. Yo, my guy.
Yo, peep Coach's car in the back.
Broke hella necks.
Damn, you know what I'm saying?
I'm doing an interview. All right.
Oh shit.
So what happened when you pulled up?
Pulled up to the scene, right? There's some couple over there, hella people sitting out here. Came in with the scene, you know. And I aired it out. Everybody was like, oh shit, right? There was a couple over there. The guy like tapped his girl. Was like, hey yo, keep that. I should have been over there like, yo, girl, you know what to do already.
I'm gonna just roll. Whatever happens, happens.
He's wet. Damn fucker.
Damn!
When I was recording that 20%,
What? Damn, look at this. I'm gonna go in the smoke. Sheesh. It's like fog. Damn. That boy wet. Dude, you gotta do it again. You have to do it again. Fucking the camera was in the car. Hey,
ready, Coach?
Yeah, low key. I gotta do it like this. Oh, there we go, dude. I got James hella looking nice.
fuck yeah, dude. Hey, I'm gonna record with my phone, dude.
Oh, hold on. I gotta.
Yo, these fucking lens flares, my
Yo,
God.
my son.
Yo, my God.
Hey, don't break my bags, please.
Bro, I got you, man. I used to have this car. Not the special one. Feels like home, man.
First bag donut. Not kidding.
Oh, camera. Man.
Yo, guy.
Yo, guy.
Yo, my son.
Hey, yo, big thing's over here, man.
You record it, but don't get his face so I can pretend like it's me. So it's me. Someone get this and send it to me.
Actually doing?
Yeah. Hey, record it and send it to me so I can post it on mine. So they think it's me.
Nope.
Oh, I'll do it for my phone. Got some rubbing issues, guys. I've been recording this whole time.
Check out the lights so you can see the stuff in the front.
So you can see the front.
Oh, through the smoke? Oh.
Oh, someone hold this so I can air up.
Hold that. Hey man, Coach, your tires go haywire, I'll buy you some new ones, man.
It's scary seeing your own car being like this.
I thought you were gonna keep going.
Damn! It's smoking hard back here. Oh fuck.
Dude, there goes your tires, man.
Dude, the freaking.
Oh, the 10% one went on. Hey,
the video.
You're good.
Tire smoke?
On the video. You're not gonna get that again.
Alright, one more.
You getting this, Coach?
Nah, we've been recording this whole time. I could air out right here.
Don't do that.
I know. Dude.
Hey, can I try? How is it grippy?
I told my tires are hella sticky, dude. It's my sticky tires, dude.
Watch.
That shit's fun to play.
What happened?
What happened?
Oh, no, we just want to get close.
What happened?
Hey, hold up.
On side, wait.
What's the wear?
You're fucking good, dude.
Yeah, I know.
It's not even anything.
Yeah, I know. Those tires haven't been.
Got you. Hopefully my 20% doesn't go off.
Hey, wait, hold on. Traction control. Okay, nice. You know the car. Dude, I went from 180 miles of range to 160. Just here.
Oh.
Yeah. Damn! Sheesh! Damn! Smoky boys! You gonna do it?
Hell no, I got my own car, man.
Oh, okay. You gonna go with your own car? You gonna do it right now? Hey, Loki, I wanna try too.
Oh, what's going on over here, man? Hey, do it, burn out and swing it. Go. It's good. We're good.
Oh my god. That was good.
Hey, Coach was like legit first drift.
Nice.
Oh, my first
man.
drift, guys. Shit.
Everyone say tossing Coach's car around.
Who else wants to try? Hey, Nick.
No.
The other two want to crash the damn shit.
Yeah, I'm just about to hit the fire hydrant right there.
I think I gotta do an Edwin's car so we can get the new one.
Oh, shit. It's smoke.
Give me light.
Like an open section to the wheel.
My phone's better.
Well, or
I got you.
Oh, dude, got under a light in here.
Smoky in here, dude. Shit.
All I smell is tire and cologne.
That's my cologne.
Dude, everyone's dark as shit. Oh, nice.
Anybody's car dies, I got you guys.
Mine might take a shit right now.
Got tire pressure, everything.
You need a new engine, man.
Hi, we're in the building doing a little pit stop, a little gas station pit stop. Don't mind my fitment. I'm on the high right now. We got another Beamer in the crew. We got our boy, little Easy in the building right here. You get me? Got Jason with the Subi. Got Edwin. This Beamer, you gotta fill up some gas, bro. Tell him what happened, man. What's going on with your car, bro? What happened?
I need a sponsorship for the car. Anyone wants to sponsor me? Let me know.
Sponsor
I need
the
a transmission. I need beep beep. That guy's on the dumpster juice right there. He's carrying the dumpster juice.
Dude, you got the dumpster juice, baby.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, we got some issues going on with his car.
I need a radiator probably, or a coolant flush.
Coolant, freaking turbo is going crazy.
I need to get a charge pipe.
That's what we need to do. We got Sahil, his GTR lights, huh?
Hey, what you know about me, man?
Alright, so we're gonna be going to someplace in Auto Mall. We're gonna be going to some random spot, and then we need to go eat, because, you know, it's already late, and, you know, man's hungry, you get me? So, yeah, we're gonna head out. Alright guys, so right now we're doing an edit. We got Edwin in the studio. We're in the studio actually, Jason's house. Jason's looking at some cars over there. Q50 maybe coming in the works.
Hell no.
Anyways, so we're here. We got James right here chilling. We got Nick right here chilling on the booty. Anyway, so we forgot to do the outro, so we'll do it right now. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you guys did, drop a like, comment, subscribe if you guys are new, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.